Hi, and welcome to this introduction to the new SERTICA Punchout module, part of the SERTICA Procurement offering. Punchout inside SERTICA allows you to use online supplier catalogs when selecting the items you wish to buy, while still maintaining the control flow you have for your purchases within SERTICA. The Punchout will work both on board the vessels if they are online, and will work of course from the office side. It works for both requisitions and purchase orders. When doing Punchout, you start by creating a requisition in this case. After creating your requisition and selecting the supplier you wish to use, you have a Punchout button as part of the buttons in the top of your requisition screen in this case. When I press Punchout, I'm taken to the supplier's website where I can select from the vast catalog of items they've made available to me specifically. Now in this case we have an example with the Lemby Müller catalog, but it could be any other supplier that offers Punchout, which is integrated inside SERTICA. In this case I need some electrical parts, so I'll go for some lighting fixtures, maybe suspended kind, and I can add these to my basket. As I go through selecting the different things, I of course see all the details of the items based on the supplier information provided. And I can select the ones I want. In this case I need 2 of this thing, and I want 1 of these as well. When I'm ready to take my list of items back to SERTICA, I go to my basket, and from here I can review the items. Some of them have unknown delivery dates, otherwise I could see the delivery date of course if the supplier has that information. And then I have a Punchout button down here that I press, and this will take the information from my basket on the website and put it back into SERTICA. If I go back to my SERTICA, you'll see that it is still awaiting Punchout data, and in a little bit, like so, it is populated from the supplier website with the items I selected, the quantities, the prices, and so on. All I need to put in this case, is my technical accounting for my finance, and then I'm done. So the Punchout offers you the possibility of having all the right item information available when selecting what you wish to buy, while also providing the right information to the supplier when you end up sending the purchase order, so the supplier knows specifically what it is you want to buy. Some suppliers have also started supporting the reception of purchase orders through Punchout. This enables us to integrate SERTICA directly with the supplier platform, making it easier for the supplier to handle the orders quickly and efficiently. This is Punchout in SERTICA. We hope you like it and that you'll use it. Have a good day. Bye.